Please, your Lordship, Lordship praying for listing of WPC with filing number. By tomorrow, Lordship, as DLC is going to be held on Monday.
Compassionate appointments.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, similar prayer.
Number maybe for 3 weeks.
Item
10.
you Mr. A go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
On request with when we say when it comes to list of the tribunals.
May it please your lordship. Lordship may pray for listing of a matter. Otherwise, this matter was fixed on 7th. Due to declaration of holiday, lordship, matter could not be listed. Can it be on Monday or Tuesday, my lord? My lord, pension matter. The petitioner is not receiving pension since 2021. And she's a single.
28.
Monday or Tuesday, my lord?
28.
28th, my lord. Oblige.
I have the same prayer. It will be on 30. And
Lordship, matter was fixed 13/5/2025. Matter was not listed. Content matter. Any day, my lordship.
2nd June.
Lordship, must have declaration at number 11, Lordship.
Hmm.
First, kindly adjourn the matter for the day, Lordship.
Your for
Petitioner, Lordship.
your good name?
S.S. Lam on behalf of Ami Mahmood.
On request method we have of MU Mahmood. Then comes list after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Deep game, Lordship.
May I please your lordship? Item 8 of today's day's lordship, we have lost the communication lordship. 3 weeks time may be granted lordship. I am
Okay.
appearing on behalf of MP Sharma.
On request method we have of MB Sharma. Then the constable.
Oblige,
List
lordship.
of 3 weeks.
Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention an item for listing of admission hearing.
Okay. 4th June. 4th of June.
Item 1, 2, and 3 for admission.
With pleasure, lordship. My lord, the petitioner before lordship is a professor of Assam University. And my lord, 3 cases have been filed, which will show, my lord, there has been a systematic, my lord, planned victimization of the petitioner, my lord. The first case relates to, my lord, to remove his removal from very important, my lord, 3 administrative posts, which, my lord, affects his career in, my lord, career prospects. The second case is, my lord, against suspension pending trial of disciplinary proceeding. Then, my lord, the third case is, my lord, where in the proceeding, my lord, we asked for certain documents. And they were not providing those documents, my lord, in order to enable to, my lord, defend myself. Now, my lord, all these 3 matters are connected, interconnected in the sense that, my lord, each one of it, my lord, affects his career. Now, so far as, my lord, the suspension is concerned, my lord, they have filed a detailed affidavit. In the third case, my lord, where the petitioner is aggrieved by non-furnishing of documents, my lord, enabling to file his written statement, well, it's pending for a long time. What I'll implore, my lord, if my learned friend can, my lord, provide me the documents, and, my lord, I can file my written statement, then my lord, the disciplinary proceeding will also, my lord, proceed. So that is, my lord, keeping the entire matter from 2022, my lord.
Yeah.
He's under suspension. So what I'll pray for, my lord, today, my lord, I'm ready to hear, my lord, to be hearing in all the 3 cases. My lord, if he provides the, my lord, copies, I don't know, my lord, what his instruction is. Then, my lord, perhaps on another date, my lord, after getting the, my lord, copies, we may proceed with the hearing, my lord.
Okay.
See what happened along with the charge memo, we provided relevant documents. Now the petitioner is he's filed an application seeking 74 documents. In some documents, these are relating to third party, which cannot be provided. Lordship may fix another date. In the meantime, the petitioner will approach the registrar and they will sit together with the documents which can be provided. That will be, we will provide, but not the document relating to third party that cannot be provided. If we approach the registrar, then they will sort out the matter and we have no objection to provide some documents which are, even though not relevant, if he is seeking, we can provide them, but some documents which cannot be provided. But all the documents relied in the chart sheet that has been provided.
What do you say?
My lord, perhaps what we can do is, my lord, the petitioner, since he is in, my lord, in the university, he can contact with the registrar and give the copies of whatever they want to give. And whether the, my lord, other documents which are, my lord, not a part of the church sheet and according to them, my lord, those are relevant, not relevant. For me, my lord, those are very relevant to show that, my lord.
So what we can do, you can sit with the registrar of the concerned college, university. And then if you are successful in getting what you want, then maybe item 3 and 2 can be closed. But after you meet, not now, not today,
My lord.
not today. So I'll pass an order that on a particular date, two of you can sit down and then.
Yes, sir.
And whatever document, my lord, they want to give, let them, my lord, provide. And whatever they don't want to give, my lord, they'll try to, my lord, negotiate. And if, my lord, the petitioner is still agree, my lord, then on the next date, I'll submit before lordship, my lord. No.
Yes, that may automatically pass.
But Mr. M. K. Chaudhary, Learner Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M. Datta, Learner Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. S. K. L. Learner Standing Counsel, Assam University. Staff. Para. WBC number 8337 of 2022 has been filed by the petitioner. Praying for direction. To furnish the documents listed in his representation. Where's that representation? Page 72,
Page 72, my lord.
listed in his representation,
Annexure 12, page 72.
dated 28 November 2022. Stop. Word list, okay. There are only 25 documents, isn't there?
My lord,
74.
74 documents, my lord. 74, no?
And further with the prayer to inspect the other documents which are indicated in his representation dated 18/11/22.
2811, my lord.
It is not 18/11.
1811, I'm sorry, my lord, 1811.
18/11/22. Mr. Ezekiel Para, Learned Standing Counsel, Assam University submits that a date may be appointed by this court on which date the petitioner can approach the register of the Assam University. And thereafter, those documents which are relevant.
For me, if all the documents are relevant.
Okay, then say like that, date may be appointed by this court to enable the petitioner to approach the Assam University with regard to the documents, with regard to the inspection of documents, and also for production of producing the set, producing the other documents,
Furnishing copies thereof, my lord.
and also for furnishing of document enumerated in his representations dated 18/11/2022 and 28/11. Stop. Para. No, so the same is not objected to by the London Senior Council by the, for the petition. Stop. When do you want to read
Monday, my lord.
accordingly? Monday will be all right?
Yes, Lord. We are tomorrow.
Accordingly, petition is directed
That came
to approach the register of the Assam University
26.
on 26th of May, 2025. You want to specify the time not required?
During the day, office hours.
Or what do you want to do on that date on 26th of
He will discuss with the registrar, account which can be provided to him, that will be provided, subject to lordship.
to enable him to enable the register of Assam University to furnish the documents as well as inspect the documents which are enumerated in the representations dated 28/11/2022 and 18. That much.
We have already provided him the relevant document which is regarding.
No, I'm saying in his representations, not the other ones.
No, lordship, if lordship directs them to provide all the documents, then there will be no. They have to discuss and they will, he will impress upon the registrar.
Okay.
And the documents which are not related to the case, which which may not be provided.
Okay, then you say, to enable the register of Assam University. No, we shall approach the, register on so and so date. On so and so date. For having a discussion. And also for furnishing of those documents. And also for furnishing of those documents.
Which they agree to provide, my lord.
Which the register of Assam University may agree for furnishing the same.
Not so.
So far as the, my lord, other documents, my lord, are concerned, my lord, that this collection will be subject to, my lord, further consideration of this honorable court. That may kindly be stated.
In the event the petitioner is not satisfied with the meeting
This will be considered on the next.
on 26th 5/2025 with the register of the Assam University. The same shall be subject to the outcome of this report.
For further consideration.
Shall be considered by this. Huh? When do you want?
My lord, after I get the documents after 2 weeks, my lord, thereafter. No, after 2 weeks thereafter.
List the matter after 2 weeks, or you want the date?
After 3 weeks, my lord. After 3 weeks, my lord, your lordship will give a date. One day, fixed date will help.
Give a date.
All I think.
My dear Lordship, my lord. So this matter came your Lordship idea also, my lord. Just to take your Lordship to page 31. The Lordship idea first under in idea occasion. Page 31. 32 it starts.
Yes.
Yes. Now, your lordship's order is, direction was within 2 months. Thereafter, they have not done it. Then again, he came. Now your lordship will find page 36. And page 36, my lord, now your lordship will find page 30, page 40. Yes. Page 49.
Oh,
40, 41, 13. Paragraph 13, your lordship's order was referred me. Paragraph 13, page 41. Yes. That your lordship order is dated 24/8/22. Thereafter, in view of the above, paragraph 14, my lord. In view of the above position and interference made by this court, passed by the director, so and so, the matter now stands remanded back to the Secretary of the Government of Assam Department of School Education to consider the case of the petitioner and also consider the recommendation made by the School Management and Development Committee in question and pass appropriate orders for appointment against 2 vacant grade 4 posts available in the said school and thereby bring the recruitment process as initiated in the year 2012 to its logical conclusion. The said exercise shall be strictly carried out in terms of the direction passed by this court on 19/11/19 in WBC and the direction passed by this court on so and so, your lordship, so that page 24, order date so and so. So thereafter, my lord, they have given appointment to the person who stands on second position, my lord. Mustaq Ahmad, that is the next 6, my lord. 25/9/24. So ultimately, they acted upon the select list on 25/9/24. Thereafter, I applied. I stand number 1, my lord, and serial number. And the court says, my lord, the logical and in terms of that decision, my lord. Now they are not giving, my lord. Now they have come and filed an affidavit saying that it is delay of 12 years. Where is the delay, my lord, your worship? It is going on, and that ultimately delay is by the 25/9/24 order was passed in respect of other person, my lord, second selected.
how many petitioners were there in those 3 petitions?
Only one, my lord.
Only one.
Who's put first in the panel list, my lord.
Mustaq Ahmad.
Yeah, no, Mustaq Ahmad already got the appointment.
No, in the earlier petition.
Yes, Mustaq Ahmad.
It is Mustaq Ahmad who came before this court, correct?
Right. But in that case, it was stated, my lord, that the 2 posts to be filled up as per recommendation given by the managing committee. My lord. And I take to your lordship to paragraph, my lord, page 19/20, my lord. Select list, my lord. 19 and 20. Nineteen, 20, 21, 3 pages. Your lordship will find paragraph 19. My serial number 16, the present petitioner, he got 82.75% first. Mustaq Ahmad second, 81.5. Then page 21, your lordship can see select list. Page 21.
Yes, Sharma.
Madam, in this matter, we have filed our affidavit here, my lord. And regarding that, my lord, one court direction was there. Page 54 and serial number 14 in our affidavit. Wherein Honorable High Court dispose of the aforesaid writ petition, filed order dated 28/3/2024 as follows in view of above position and the interference made by this court with order dated 13/2/2024 passed by the Director Secondary Education. Assam, the matter now stands remand back to the Secretary to the Government of Assam Department of School Education. So and to consider the case of the petitioner and also consider the recommendation made by the school management and development committee of the school in question and pass appropriate orders for appointment against the two vacant grade 4 posts available in the said school and thereby bring the recruitment process as initiated in the year 2012 to its logical conclusion. Then my lord 15, that answering tribunal humbly begs to state that in compliance of the Honorable High Court order dated so and so, passed in so and so, the government by the order number so and so, this office leader so and this is hereby appointed Mustaq Ahmed as a grade 4 employee. And my lord, the petitioner, present petitioner has come to the court after 12 years.
What
my lord.
happens to para 14 of the last order passed by this court?
Regarding that, my lord, para 14, my lord, Mustaq Ahmed was appointed.
Read it, read the order properly. Read para 14.
In view of above position and the interference made by this court with the order dated 13/2/2024 passed by the Director Secondary School, Assam, the matter now stands remand back to the Secretary to the Government of Assam Department of School Education, 2024 GAU AS 2632 to consider the case of the petitioner and also consider the recommendation made by the School Management and Development Committee of the school in question and pass appropriate orders for appointment against the two vacant grade 4 posts available in the said school and thereby bring in the recruitment process as initiated in the year 2012 to its logical
So
conclusion.
there are two issues here. One is that to consider recommendation made by the school management board.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Then the other is to fill up the said two posts
Yes.
as initiated in the year 2012. Now, you have initiated you have partly complied with this court order by appointing the petitioner in the writ petition. However, the petitioner, of course, the petitioner has approached this court by the present writ petition only. But then there was always an order directing you to initiate to complete the process that was initiated in 2012. That you can't wipe out. Already direction is issued in para 14.
Regarding my lord, that post, I have to take instruction on whether it is still vacant or it is already filled up.
It should be vacant.
Vacant.
It should be vacant. You get instructions whether it is vacant, but it should be vacant. It's-
It is vacant. Confirmed as per order, my lord, that is.
It must be vacant
Yes.
because that vacancy position was already seized by the court.
Well, something is like two matters your lawsuit taken, madam, because your lawsuit kind is, I was intended responder, madam, so I could not come earlier also, madam. I was the respondent in the earlier proceedings.
In the earlier proceedings.
Yes.
No, you're not a person.
In Agreement WBC 5769, madam. 5796, madam. Page 23, page 23, madam.
Oh, you're not the respondent here.
Page 23, madam.
Oh,
Your lordship will find page 24. Page 24, respondent number 6, madam. So I was, Mr. it is not my delay, madam, because that matter is pending, madam. And yesterday we take information, madam, he has taken the post to the vacant.
yes, Sharma.
So next week, my lord, next Tuesday.
Okay.
Next week.
But Mr. Manish Chowdhury, senior counsel, assisted by Mr. A.M. Ahmed for the case. On the request made by you, Shawar, the standing for the secretary division. Another concern that in the second.
Madam, date
27th.
27. Obliged.
Item 5.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this matter has become infructuous. It may be closed.
That's become infructuous.
Yes, lordship.
Dr. P. Agarwal, Learned Legal Aid Counsel, submits that the matter has become. Mr. D. K. Roy, Learned Standing Counsel, appears for the, what was it? ASS?
AHSCC.
AHSCC.
ASSEB, Assam State School Education Board.
The petition is accordingly disposed of as.
Yes, lordship.
Item 16, addition.
It's always the same problem, my lord.
You are appearing for?
On behalf of PJ Fuka. He is from Guwahati University, my lord. The case is, my lord, that long pending case, and the lordship, my lord, the petitioner also went to the Supreme Court. The direction was given to a expeditious hearing on that issue, my lord. The lordship also heard in the earlier occasion. The issue is very simple, my lord, is regarding the, my lord, issuing of NOC, affiliation from the Guwahati University for starting my BA, BEd and BSc BEd course. That is to be.
After some.
Item 6, orders with the process.
May it please your lordship. Last occasion, your lordship ordered it at 5/5/2025, your lordship both with manner. Mr. P.K. Bora, Learned Counsel for the respondent who has furnished a communication dated showing to written by the Under Secretary Government of Assam Department School Education conveying the sanction of the Government of Assam for payment of area salary amounting so and so. The Learned Counsel respondent to also directed to take instruction as to whether petitioner has been regularized by creation of a supernumerary post in terms of the order dated 7/2/2025 issued by the Secretary to the Government of Assam Department of School Education. And we will finish.
Where's the report of the director?
Madam, that I have not received, madam. I have received only that, madam, on late hours, madam, the secretary, office of the secretary.
You have to produce a report. Let's see what is there in the report.
On Monday, madam. Very unfortunate, my lord. Commissioner Secretary already passed the order by order dated 7/2/2005. And 2 order has been passed by the Honorable Court Further, my lord. And through content petition, already litigation in and litigation from 2017 onwards, my lord. And they did not willfully and deliberately violation, my lord. And I was removing the removal order on 31/10/2018, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, order has been passed, different order on court. They did not comply with till today. And Commissioner Secretary also passed that I was I'm entitled the same. Well, the person appearance may be called for, my lord. Otherwise, my lord,
On Monday,
2007
I'll bring the instruction. The report has been sent by the director.
well, a personal appearance is required by the Commissioner Secretary. Otherwise, they did not file.
That I'll take care. That I'll. This problem. But Mr. N. Bora, Learned Counsel. On request made by Mr. P.K. Bora, Learned Counsel for the response number 2.
My lord. Also, I'm also appearing one, my lord. Now she is not there.
For the response number 2. List the matter on. We'll have it on 27th.
Well,
27th.
27, my lord.
Able to be received those students. That day I'll pass appropriate orders. if you don't come.
Right.
Please.
Secretary has already given a direction.
True, my lord.
And Director, Secretary already passed the order, my lord.
Item 7.
Item 7, lordships, the DO has on 31/25 has already sent a proposal to the Director of Pension, lordships. So, এখন That's like the pencil now. Now it is pending before a pencil. Lordship. Give me that. Okay, okay. এটা ভুল কি হয়েছে? কি হয়েছে? স্যার আমি প্রভিডেন্ট ফান্ড হলে রয়েছে
We are pressed for the pension department.
পেনশন এই everything.
What date is this?
31/25. It's slightly illegal. Three,
31/25.
25.
More than my lord, 5 months.
My lord, he repaid the pencil. Because of the pencil. Sure.
Have you got this letter?
Yes. 31. It's gonna clear copy na. Ma'am. Clear copy mo kharcha korte hobe. Lordship, let me have a copy of this from my brother and if your lordship, I may be given some few minutes to take the update. Yes,
Okay.
after some time. Item 9, hearing.
My lord, this matter I have been just engaged for the respondent governing number 3.
Number 3.
Yes. Your lordship kindly accommodates me for the day, any day next week or thereafter as the convenience suits.
Which respondent is it?
3. Respond number 3. Governing body of the government.
Yeah, Bhuyan.
My lord, in such a situation, I should not object because the respected senior friend is today, I know, my lord, today is the first appearance. But only, my lord, our urgency is that the matter is pending from 2014, my lord. So next week, Tuesday or Thursday, my lord, may be pleased to take up, my lord.
Next Tuesday, my lord, 27th, I am perfectly all right with that. No. 27th or 3rd of June, as it suits your lordship.
3rd of June, many cases are there.
27th.
27, my lord, can fix it.
27th or 29th?
29th will be better. my lord.
9th, my lord, some difficulty may be there because some other matters are also fixed. Your lordship can, if my learned friend does not object, my lord, then it can be, I may need little accommodation in the timing, that's all, on 29th.
My lord can fix it on 23, my lord. It will not take too much time, my lord.
23.
Also 27, my lord.
I am all right with 27th, sir.
Okay, heard, yeah, Bhuyan, then possible. Mr.
Yes.
S. Datta, London Senior Counsel. Enters appearance on behalf of the respondent number 3.
3.
S. Datta, London Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Enters appearance on behalf of the respondent number 3. And prays for some accommodation for the needs. The praise about list on 27th.
My lord, 27th, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord.
Obliged.
Otherwise, we'll have to go to 5th. 5th June. It's up to you.
But 27th is all right, my lord, otherwise. Let us see if it doesn't happen, then of course, my lord.
My lord.
No, 4th is quite a number of cases.
My lord.
Obliged.
Item 12.
Can we pass over for the time being? Mr. Chokoi is not there for hearing coming in the RB.
Let it be 2 o'clock, my lord. What was that? Oh. Village officials coming. If not inconvenient to your lordship, let it be 2 o'clock, my lord.
Yes.
At 2.
Item 16.
I'm afraid. 15 No one is appearing, your lordship, and your lordship, moreover, your lordship. 16 लिखे. Oh.
My lord, in this case, it is relating to, my lord, issuing of the affiliation, provisional affiliation from the Guwahati University to, my lord, establish to run the, my lord, the BA, BSc and BSc, B.Ed course, and to get the approval from the NCT. That is an affiliation from the university is concerned is very, my lord, essential, that without these things, we cannot get the approval. So in that aspect, my lord, the petitioner college, that is, my lord, run by one foundation. It is called the Hameke Rural Development Foundation, which is a registered society under the Companies Act, my lord. And, my lord, after establishing numbers of institutions, my lord, more than 6 institutions, now, my lord, they are going to establish, this is, my lord, the Hameke higher education, my lord. This is pertaining to, my lord, pertaining to, my lord, education regarding the BSc, BA, B.Ed and BSc, B.Ed, etc. my lord. So in that respect,
All parties are present today? You have Fukan, your phone?
Guwahati University.
Guwahati,
Basically, the university concern is the only, well, person who will respond, because, well, the
NCT,
NCT, they have filed the affidavit, my lord.
who appears for NCT?
I alone.
Higher education,
Yes, they have filed the affidavit, my lord.
higher education also? Higher education as well as elementary is also there. NCT and SCRT,
SCRT also represented.
about NCT, ILF, and SCRT, who appears for SCRT? Just catch hold of them. We'll take up after some time. We'll not adjourn them.
Our part, mainly, why not we can start, because one of the
No,
basic.
supposing if they're not there, that's the issue. I don't want to keep many apartment matters.
Then, my lord, that, my lord, no. My lord, then is it possible on the second half, my lord?
Second,
Right?
second is a Monday.
No, second half, my lord, today.
Oh, second half today.
We can.
No, it's not, is getting difficult, that is the point. Well, otherwise, my lord, the issue is relating to affiliation from the university concern, my lord. So.
No, fine, that's fine. I understand your
My
point.
lord,
But then at least all the parties should be there so that
that is true, my lord.
if some questions this court wants to know.
Yes, my lord. So that may be, it is not difficult on the part of the lordship, my lord, that can be fixed at, my lord, 3 o'clock, my lord, that will be done. All the parties will be there, direction will be given to that time.
Do I fix one, Justice, Mr. M.K. Chowdhury's
Yes,
matter? After that, we'll consider.
my lord. Because, my lord, another two federals are there, we have difficulties. Lordship, kindly.
In the meantime, you catch hold of I-Alarm and then the SCRT, who is the
Then,
counsel?
yeah. So
Okay.
if they are coming, my lord, then we'll circle, no problem. I am be there. No?
Lord, it's regarding item number 8. It has been adjourned for the time being.
Who is that?
Item 8, DN children. 3 weeks. It.
Item 30. Item 30.
Okay, none appears for the petition. Mr. VK Burrell and standing counsel. Counsel appears on behalf of the Berlin University. List of the two units.
14. Lord, I'm appearing in this case, Lord. The matter will be taken up after a while. After a while, Lord.
Why?
Lord, I have some personal difficulty. The brief is not- I will newly engage, Lord.
A day before yesterday, they have
Lord, I'll
time.
do the hearing, Lord, today itself, Lord. But some time, Lord, at least half an hour.
You don't know, the last case is coming,
I'll try my level best, okay, as early as possible.
May it pleases you, Lordship. It was wrongly listed for hearing, your Lordship, as the affidavit has not been filed yet, your Lordship.
Affidavit is not required. The last several occasion they, my lord, missed, my lord. Your lordship kindly say, let me submit, my lord. I am the petitioner here, my lord.
Instruction received, your Lordship, just 1 week or given, your Lordship, to file our affidavit. Let us take our stand, your Lordship.
rule was issued here.
No, rule not issued, my lord.
Why is it coming for hearing? In the admission follow. This is with regard to administrative in charge.
Yes, my lord. Regarding, no, my lord, regarding, my lord, in charge principal. Already, my lord, their academic in charge has been given to me, my lord. I have challenging two annexes, my lord. One is, my lord, academic in charge was, my lord, at the time of retirement of the earlier principal, he forwarded the list of the teachers of the school, my lord. So my name was appeared in serial number 2 and depriving me the person who is serial number 5 was given, my lord. So I am challenging before this honorable court regarding two aspects. One, the in charge principal, one is academic in charge, another is in charge principal to the inspector of school, my lord. Now, because of the inspector of school, now one part has already been granted. But after filing this, my lord, they came with it, yes, he is academic, I am the academic in charge. So now only other part, whether I am, my lord, in charge principal or not. So now it is holding by the inspector of school, my lord. As a result, school is facing
Like to
trouble.
file our affidavit, your Lordship, because it is completely to the department, your Lordship.
No, have you received instructions or not? We have been giving you sufficient time.
Your Lordship, this one, your Lordship, with reference to the subject. Your
You
Lordship,
have got the instructions.
yes, your Lordship.
Then I'll give you 1 week time.
Yes, your Lordship.
Let it, let DJ Manda,
So your lordship kindly recorded they received the instructions.
senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
Islam.
M. Islam, non counsel for the petitioner, MSP Das, then the standing counsel, secondary education submits that she has received instructions and prays for a week's time to file counter affidavit.
I am appearing for 1, 2, and 3. There is one private respondent also there.
The notice is complete on that.
That is complete, my lord. He sent a reply to the directly to this honorable court, and that was rejected, my.
Prays for a week's. Praise the Lord. Yes, now, 1
Mine.
Deeply obliged. Yes, your Lordship, it will come, your Lordship, in orders column, no? Because
no.
affidavit is not filed, your Lordship.
One is in the admission point.
Admission. Deeply obliged.
Item 7, timely.
Reveals, my lord, the matter is pending before, my lord.
Now the pension has on the 4th of
April,
they have returned
They received, my lord, 3rd April, my lord. They have not acted up. Small clarification will be sufficient.
Yes.
Yes, I've
please
been told verbally by the lordship, the inspectors, that they have collected that and they sent it, but they are unable to send the copy till now, lordship. So lordship, can you fix it on Monday or Tuesday?
Okay, heard.
Tuesday, my lord, I am widow, my lord, no money, nothing.
Jai
How also?
Barboya Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. SMD Chishti. Learned Counsel. Appearing for the respondents 1, 4, 7 and 9. Submits that the director,
DO.
that the District Elementary Education Officer, Morigaon, by a communication dated 31/2025, and addressed to the Director of Pension, Assam, has submitted the compassionate family pension papers as well as the original service book, along with all other relevant documents. Before the Director of Pension. Stop. Para. Mr. V. Deori, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of the respondents 3 and 10, submits that on receipt of the communication dated 31/2025, the financial advisor, comma, Office of the Director of Pension Assam, by a communication dated 3rd April 2025, has sent back the pension proposal along with the original service book and documents to the District Elementary Education Officer, Morigaon, inasmuch as some deficiencies oblique shortfalls were found in the pension proposal of the petitioner. Stop. Para. Mr. SMT Chiefty, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondents 1, 4, 7 and 9, prays for some time to enable him to receive updated instructions. When do you want?
Wednesday next month.
Can it be on 27, my lord, Tuesday?
Yes.
Please the matter on 27th.
Yes.
Respect to respondent number 6, will not, service of notice seems to have come again on wrongly observed upon me. I am for the Assam Employees Provident Fund. Respondent number 6 here is for the Employees Provident Fund, Assam Bhagagar. So this is the second time the notice has served upon me. Wrongly or rightly is not, the names are similar.
What is it?
Respondent number 6. Respondent number 6, the Commission of Employees Provident Fund, Assam Bhagagar. Fresh steps was taken in terms of the last election. But the notice seems to have come to the Assam Tea Employees Provident Fund. I am appearing for the Assam Tea Employees Provident Fund organization. We are completely a separate entity. But the names are similar.
You're not a
So I-
party here, isn't it?
No, I'm not a party.
He is not the part. It is from the registry, my lord, is the clerical
The
mistake.
direction was to the education fund. It is not an NSA party lordship, yes, provision fund. So unless
Okay,
it is,
okay. You're appearing for?
because, yeah,
It's not abnormal because you've got nothing to do with them.
it's a pension and education. These are the two departments. These are the two main.
6 can be illegal.
Yes, Barbuya?
My lord, let it be on the next date, my lord.
You file an application for.
Yes,
delis-
yes, if we'll just make it inquiry, my lord.
My name is Kakao.
No, that's why he's saying on the next day he'll do it.
Next day it will do, my lord. What is the harm, my lord, if it remains also?
Mr. B. Sharma, Leonard Council, appears for the response number.
Fine.
Right.
Item 17, hearing.
This is, we cannot do, more or less the point.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, government has filed an affidavit, lordship. We have received, lordship. So some time may be granted, lordship. We have not gone through it.
How much time do you require?
2 weeks. lordship.
On request made on behalf of Mr. J. Abidin, then the council for the petition. When did you file, Mushari?
Lordship, it's at flag number F1. Flag number F 140, I guess, page number.
F.
F, your lord.
There's no F here.
Last flag, I may be wrong.
Page what?
140, I guess.
R4, R5.
R5, your lord.
Correct.
Inspector's.
Okay, on request made on behalf of Mr. J. Abidin, then the council for the petition. List after 2 weeks.
May I pay a date, lordship?
Give a date.
10th. 10th.
Obliged, your lord.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
How many matters are there? Huh? Okay. This one.
Item 14. Okay.
14 to 1-4. 14. Item 16 may be taken up first.
1 minute. 14 has already been called out.
My lord, admittedly, petitioner is the first wife governed by Mohammedan law. There are a number of judgments passed by this honorable court, and as per the full bench decision of our High Court, it is held that the first wife is entitled to family pension. However, there is a provision. If the first wife does not maintain the second wife, that there is a remedy available for the second wife to approach the appropriate firm for maintenance. On previous occasion, I have submitted the judgment as full bench decision, my lord. I think that is available on the.
Full bench.
Yes, my lord. 2013 1 GLP.
Yes.
Yes.
Is it 2013 or 2023?
Yes. ma'am. And from paragraph 19, 20, 21 and 23 is the. There is no dispute that I'm the first wife.
Yes.
And while I filed maintenance case before the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class Nagaon in the year 2011, page 25. This is the type copy and page 32, last paragraph. After perusing the evidence of all the EWS, it appears that the accused Lutfur, my husband, had married the complainant, that is myself, on Iman as per Islamic Sharia. And then, my lord, page 33, last paragraph. Last sentence. I am of the.
No, here, come to page 32.
Yes, my lord.
Is this correctly typed out?
Yes, ma'am.
After perusing evidence of PW, it appears that accused Lutfu Hussain
Lutfur, my lord, my husband.
had married the complainant Lutfu Hussain.
That is, I think, in the
Where is the
original,
original?
my lord, page 44. Last sentence. This typographical.
No, it's not a typographical mistake.
That is, my lord, after perusing the evidence of all the PWS, it appears that Equate Lotfum had married the complaint Lutfur Hussain.
Same.
Same, but it is, then, my lord, page 33, last paragraph. I am of the considered opinion that prosecution has been able to prove that victim is legally married wife of accused Lutfur Hussain.
Page 33.
Last sentence. Admittedly, my marriage was solemnized on 11/12/1999, and the second wife was married on 22/11/2000.
No, you were married on,
My lord,
is it 11/12 or 12/12?
11/12/1999.
But come to page 32.
Yes. It is written, yes, 12/12/1999.
Which one is correct?
12/12, madam. 12/12, yes. In paragraph 2 also I have mentioned.
Oh,
And my husband died on 10/5/2021. After that, I have approached the authorities. Then I came to know that the amount has been, gratuity amount has been taken by the second wife. Then I made complaint to the authorities. Page 55.
1 minute. Official respondents,
They are not filing any affidavit, my lord.
then how is it coming in the hearing? Elementary pension, deputy commissioner,
On 11/2022, there is a direction not to release any amount to the second wife. Therefore, since they have not filed any affidavit, this matter was posted for hearing.
May I one point, my lord,
you are appearing for respondent?
for respondent number 9, the
Okay.
private respondent.
Okay.
My lord, only one thing, my lord, this annexer 1 is very relevant and vital to the entire proceeding. This first
Annex-
class
annex-
marriage order,
Annexure,
annexer 1, page 25.
Original is 39 members.
A type copy, page 25.
oh,
The entire matter rests upon this, my lord, annexer.
Hmm.
But the relevant records is not before this honorable court.
That is not required.
I mean, not required,
Miller,
since
since
the
Miller-
judgment is already there,
Milord, the entire argument will be revolving around the registration and cancellation of registration under the Act.
Okay, that when we take up the hearing, we'll see if this required and we'll call. But then how about the government elementary pension? I think pension is a very important department. Per month, you are appearing for?
Yes, pension department office.
Are you filing your affidavit or no?
No, no. Record is misplaced somewhere.
Huh?
Respondent number 2, I am appearing for respondent number 2 and lordship. 5.
2 and 5.
Yes, sir.
Are you filing?
No,
You're not going to file.
no, not. I have, wait, I am filed, lordship. I will
Last
file.
4 years, 3 years, they are not filing, my lord. I am without any pensionary dues.
Huh?
I will file that. Sometime is required.
For last few occasions, they are not paying for any time, my lord. Last,
How much time you require?
After 3 weeks, lordship.
1 week or 10 days, my lord.
1 week.
1 week.
I'll give you 2 weeks
Yes, sir.
maximum. Heard N. Sharma, then the counsel for petitioner, as well as PG Fukan, then the counsel for the respondent number 9. On request made by Ms. E. Barman, Leonard additional senior government, appealing for the respondents 2 and 5. 2 weeks, but the time is allowed to file contrast. List the matter on. Sixteen?
Yes.
16.
16th of June.
I'm for respondent number 2.
16 June. MS? Huh?
My lord, education department may also be directed to file affidavit. Otherwise, they will take time.
Okay, then you say
Can it be 17 June?
what?
Milord?
MS, so for the 2 and 4, huh? And MS S. Conwar, Leonard Standing Council, Elementary Division Department are both allowed 2 weeks time to file the respective contractions.
Milord, can it be on 7th, Milord? Tuesday, Milord? It would be a hearing date.
17th.
My lord, only one observation may be made, my lord. If they do not file affidavit, your lordship may consider on the basis of merit available. Otherwise, they will not file affidavit.
Can you file it by 2 weeks? If no affidavit is filed by the next returnable date, this case shall proceed on the basis of materials available on the court.
Milord, by this time, this record.
That we'll see the next.
Very
hearing.
vital, Milord.
Yeah,
Since, Milord,
that
the
will,
entire-
we'll see on the next hearing date.
whether
May be
the-
required, may not be required.
Item 6.
Where be the loss? Well, this matter, well, relating to issuing of the affiliation, provisional affiliation from the Guwahati University.
What
Lordship, regarding this case, Lordship, there is a particular line in annexure 1, if Lordship peruses, where an inspection report had been submitted by us, which were containing all the observations. The last line of page number 23, annexure 1. Where an inspection report submitted by him containing his observations regarding feasibility is enclosed herewith for kind appraisal of the government for issuance of NOC in this regard. But the inspection report has not been annexed. We need some time to obtain our instructions regarding what had been annexed, and we'll obtain our instructions based on that.
What is taking you so long, man?
Lordship may give us 1 week's time, actually. We'll do our best
Okay.
to obtain our
My
instructions.
lord, then maybe, my lord, to one convenient date will be fixed.
Yeah.
ma'am.
But P. Mandal and the council. Mr.
These Gogoi's name will be reported.
B. Gogoi, London Standing Council,
SSA in this case.
SCRT,
SCR.
SCRT.
Lordship.
press for weeks time to enable him to, you want to produce the inspection report?
Yes, Lordship.
To produce the inspection report. which is content in the letter dated 5th November 2019. Written by the director, SCRT Assam, within bracket, annexure 1 to the report. List on.
That one short date will be given, my lord. Of
When?
this month, my lord, on 29th or 27, my lord. 29, my lord.
29th. Okay.
Very well, Lordship.
Mr. Ayalam. Leonard, Standing Council appears for the NCP. And Mr. PG Fukant, Leonard Standing Council appears for the Guwahati Alliance.
Lordship.
How many cases are left? So there are 2 p.m.
Was busy in another court also. One criminal petition hearing was going on. That's why I'm. Otherwise, in just now, because Sudhir informed that he has some difficulties. Otherwise, I have no difficulties, Lordship. We have some difficulties.
Chowdhury. When do you want?
My lord, third week of June.
Okay, on request, met on behalf of
A hearing day, my lord. Hearing.
MK Chowdhury, Leonard, Senior Counsel. List the matter on. You want a date fixed?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah, 2021 after. June second
19th.
week.
19th. 19th.
19th. Mr. K. Kukwai appears for the, I
Lost.
Mr. K. Goel and standing for. That's all. You could have done that in the first half. Okay.
Highly obliged.